up, everybody? It's been a long day. I'm back from work. It's 5:55 p.m. I didn't even take a cold shower today. Just been so busy. But I'm crafting a quote for one customer. Also just been focusing on work, my job, creating listings, a whole bunch of stuff. Oh man, I'm tired today. I need to take an evening cold shower to keep up the streak. But yeah. Anyways, I'll keep you guys updated. Peace. We're heading back to the studio. It's been a long day. It's 7:40. I'm finishing up my Amazon store, listed a couple of products. My email campaign, I don't even know if it's doing anything, but it's going. Sent out 86 emails so far with 0 replies, which is tough. But there's a large portion of them getting spam blocked. I mean, I wouldn't say large, but like 8% spam blocked, which is a little tricky. Yeah. I coded one small job. Hopefully I get that. Yeah, it's been slow, man. It's been slow. Hope it picks up soon. Another month of just this would be kind of really slow. But I need to take my cold shower now, evening one, which is gonna suck. But we'll get it done. Alright guys, I will see you back at the studio. Alright, gotta take an ice cold shower now because I didn't take it in the morning. Fucking hate showers, cold showers in the evening. I got a headache. Sorry, I'll just take this and eat a nice warm bowl of noodles and for my dinner. Oh, alright. See you guys after. This will be 44. So, see you guys after. Bye. Cold shower, 44, done. Whew. Alright, we're gonna call it a day. I'm tired. Didn't sleep well. Had a long day of work. Just gonna eat, go to sleep. Thanks for tuning in, guys. I know it's been boring as of late, but it's gonna pick up soon. Don't worry. Imagine in the next probably 3-4 weeks, everything's gonna pick up. All right. See you guys.